Good morning, everybody. We are here. 41 degrees outside, cloudy right now, but I'm telling you it's going to be a good day. We got Frank first in the chat. Dark Bro, what's going on, man? Frank, Joshua, how you doing? Frank, Joshua, Dark Bro, Keith, Joshua. We got Frank, Missing Link, Dark Bro, CDWit, Matthew, Stig, Rozzy, Dark Bro, Frank, Dark Bro, Rozzy, Grizzo, Rozzy, Frank, Richard, Duke, who the heck is Duke? It's Richard Ducard. That's right. Okay, never mind. Dark Bro, Notos, Dark Bro, Rozzy, Notos. What is going on, everybody? Let's jump into the market because we have got some steep declines this morning after a decent open. AMC sitting at 2.20% higher right now, $6.50 per share, after being at about $6.80 per share this morning. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 10.12, down 2.5% on the day. GameStop still up 3.5%, $26.86. QQQ sitting at 270 after touching 268.80. Guys, at the open, 277. I looked at the options. If you would grab some of these 270 options that expire tomorrow, I believe, because today is Tuesday. If you would have grabbed them at the open this morning, you could have got them for 78 cents. When I looked at them, probably right here, they were trading at $2.50, $2.60. So you easily would have roughly 4x'd your money just today alone, buying some puts and watching this bad boy come down here. Very, very heavy declines in the market today after the open. Nice pre-market. But right now, we've got them big red lines coming back on the chart. Let's get rid of some of these little lines down here. Big red lines coming back down to this major level of support right here. We don't need this one. Major level of support. This purple line, 270, coming back down and being retested again. So we'll have to see what goes on there with the overall market. But this descending trend line pretty much following to suit here with just a crazy open and coming back down to where it was there. NASDAQ following the same as the QQQ, obviously. GameStop, 3.30% higher. Pure Therapeutics, 2.06% higher today. AMC, 2.59%. Ethereum is down. Shiba is down. Bitcoin is down right now. Sundial sitting 0.45% higher on the day. Mullen Auto, 22.60. CEI, 15 cents after bouncing off a little of this 15.25 low. The SPY, 0.67% higher, falling the same as the QQQ is today. BBIG sitting at 97 cents. Highcraft Mining, 59 cents. Netflix, $240. Terra Luna Classic down 3.5% today. QQQ 270 and Ape Stock sitting at $1.99 right now, up 4% on the day at $1.99. Really sitting at this level of resistance now at $2 per share. Wild activity, ladies and gentlemen. Wild activity going on in the market today. Where we at? Get this. There we go. Got that now. Let's see. A good day to watch a LUNC and not do what this show said it was going to do. I think they will still be happy no matter what. 10% cut of the Binance burn and all others will still be a lot of money. Just watch all the shows instantly become a developer. Yeah, everybody's going to become developers when they want some money. Yeah, Matthew, my main concern is that Binance pulls out. That's my main concern. Binance signed up to burn. Binance did not sign up to fund some community pool. So I'm sure that they will reconsider what they're doing there, and they're going to be looking into those burns. Where did the rest of those stickers go? They're going to be looking into what their money's going to and what it's going towards, because like I said, they signed up to burn. They didn't necessarily sign up to fund a community pool. So we're going to have to see if they reconsider or not. 24 degrees in Minnesota, snowed 19 inches. Did it really snow 19 inches in Wisconsin? What? Tectonic's chart. Let's look up Tectonic's chart right now and see what we've got going on here. Tectonic. Tectonic is up 3.49% on the day today. Still a $9 million market cap. $9 million market cap on Tectonic, fully diluted, $51 million market cap. The 3-month continues to come down, bouncing up slightly today from 9,600 to 1,000 points per coin. So about a 5% increase from 2 days ago. And it is up roughly 4% today. So looking pretty good right now. The volume is actually increasing. So volume on its way up. You can see that down. You might be able to see it on this bar chart. I don't know if you guys can see it as well as I can here. You might not be able to. But volume ticking back up a little bit as the price is ticking back up. So not bad there. But yeah, Tectonic, guys, if you're interested in it, extremely low. Treat it as a high growth potential, high risk opportunity right now, because the greater the risk, the greater the reward. Clay, bro. What's going on, Frank? Matthew. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying this price action is not what I want to see with supposedly good news. I knew this would happen on the new proposal. Seriously, though, I do have hope. I think if CZ says he will stop his fee burn fees, there will be another proposal coming up soon, and hopefully it's the next... No, I agree with that, dude. I can almost guarantee that you are 100% correct on that one. My concern would be, dude, do we really, like, are we going to beg Binance to come back if they leave? Like, is Binance going to be on board, or is Binance just going to be like, you guys have no idea what you're doing? You have no idea what you're doing. You didn't consult us on this. You just want to make these changes. You gave it 3 weeks. There's a lot of uncertainties out there for me. Tectonic, I'm going to make millionaire in the... You know what, Hemi Life, I do believe that that's a possibility, man. What's up, Claybrown family? AMC Trapper, what's going on? Bitcoin will Lambo before LUNC. Interesting. So yeah, Bitcoin. What are your guys' like price targets on Bitcoin during the next bull market? I'm not opposed to 100 grand. I'm not opposed to 100,000+ during the next bull market for Bitcoin. What do you guys think on that one? Because I know there's a lot of people that during the last bull market, you know, they say Bitcoin to $1 million. I don't know about that, man. I don't know about that. Not during the next bull market. I really don't see Bitcoin at $1 million during the next bull market. However, Bitcoin at 100,000, I can see that during the next bull market. 200, like a $250,000 would be a little bit more optimistic in my opinion during the next bull market, but I don't see you going to $1 million. 84 degrees in Miami and 41 degrees and cloudy here in Ohio. Razi, enjoy that weather, man. Hello, my fellow window lickers. What's going on, Kai? How you doing? Clever, waiting for target price. CEI at 10 cents, Mullen at 20 cents, $400 each. That'll be 1,000 shares, CEI, 500 shares of Mullen. Thoughts? Yeah, Frank, absolutely, man. Those seem to be right now some good prices. Right? If you're looking at CEI at the 10 cent mark, I don't think it's impossible to see CEI hit 10 cents. It has just been destroyed though. Okay? Coming down here, coming down, basically always coming down in price after running up. You know, I don't know if they have the revenue to justify going up to $1, $2, $3 in prices anytime soon, but 10 cents seems very cheap. What I wouldn't want to see happen is 10 cents, they need to meet listing requirements, and they end up doing some sort of a reverse split. And then they're back up at $1.50, $15 per share, and people just continue to sell them off because they seem like they're high-priced at that point. So I wouldn't want to see that happen for a stock that has done nothing but lose money. Mullen Auto, very similar situation. Mullen Auto has absolutely been destroyed, and I don't even know if Mullen Auto is making any money right now. I think their revenue was 0. So another thing to consider there, but did you say 20 cents? I think you said 20 cents on Mullen Auto, right? Yeah, 20 cents on Mullen Auto. Dude, I think you're going to hit 20 cents probably today or tomorrow. I think you would get triggered on Mullen Auto today or tomorrow, man. If we fall through these levels of support, this purple line, if we fall through and things get a little worse today with crypto coming down, the market coming down, I think you see that 20 cent target today on Mullen Auto. If Mullen Auto can make cars and sell cars, dude, you're going to be getting a steal at 20 cents a share. That's the thing, though. Can they make cars? Can they sell cars? I don't know if they're going to be able to because they're not currently doing it. Chris says, Clay, I'm trying to get into the trends for profit. Kind of a lot burnt on the community for the sake of having fun every day. Because being friends is cool, but still out in the freezing balls. What is... Clay, I'm trying to get into trends for the profit. Gotcha. Kind of a lot burnt on the community for the sake of having fun every day. Because being friends is cool, but still out in the freezing ball. Yes, okay, so now I understand. Yeah, you want to make some profits so you don't have to be out in the freezing balls cold. Landscaping and plowing and so on. Dude, I absolutely feel you, man. I absolutely feel you. Now, I will say this, though, Chris, okay? Getting in on the trends like this can absolutely increase the risk associated with the portfolio. So I always like to refer to it as switching lanes. If you're going to be buying and selling and buying and selling and trying to stay up on making some quick trades like that, you can get there faster. You can absolutely make money doing it. But it's like driving through traffic and switching lanes, dude. You can get to your destination faster. But the more often you switch lanes, the higher risk you have. If you stay in the one lane and just go, it's going to take you a little bit longer. Absolutely. But you're basically guaranteed to get there. So it is a decision to make, man. $200,000 according to George. Interesting. Yeah, roulette wheel. $200,000 would be a little bit more optimistic than me. I'm saying 100. 25. Cameron, 25 what? 25 degrees. 19 degrees here, but it's we use Celsius. Don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. That's actually not bad, Lorenzo. 19 degrees, I think, is upper 60s. What can we do? Need to trigger a bull market. Can it happen under the current administration? So, yeah, I do think that it can happen under the current administration, right? I will say this, though. It will be more difficult to happen under the current administration because the current guys, they like to spend money. They like to send money. They like to spend money. And regardless of whatever you guys think, spending money in a high inflation environment is a bad idea. It doesn't help the inflation. It exacerbates the problem of inflation. If it's a low inflation environment, it doesn't necessarily affect the economy to the same degree. So, yes, if spending is kind of wrangled in, and we're not sending billions and billions and trillions of dollars out and spending massive amounts of money, then it absolutely can. Things can turn around. We can get inflation under control, and then interest rates will once again subside. I would say it does have a better chance in a more conservative environment because there's less spending going on. And that's the main battle that we're facing right now is the spending and inflation battle. So, I mean, it absolutely can, right? There's a lot of stuff that people agree with and disagree with all the time. There's a lot of stuff that I agree with and disagree with all the time. But it is a possibility. I just think it's a little harder because you got one group that likes to spend, one group that likes to save, and there's a lot to be added there. But that's what it boils down to if you're looking at economic recovery. Tectonic to half a penny in the next board. Oh, dude, if Tectonic goes to half a penny, you guys are destroying a lot of zeros, man. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros being destroyed. That would be sick, man. What is that, a 10,000x increase? 10,000x your money on Tectonic during the next bull run. Let me see here. Tectonic on a 10,000x increase. What is 9,000 or 9 million times 10,000? All right, it's not going to be easy. It does give it a $90 billion to $100 billion valuation. It would have to be a very strong bull market to get there. However, dude, Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin were like $40, $50 billion. So I'm not going to say that can't happen, man. I'm not going to say that can't happen. Next bull market, if we come back bigger, better, stronger than we were before, 90 billion is basically Dogecoin, right? 90 billion is basically Dogecoin. So it is a possibility, man. If you bang that one out, and for every dollar you got invested right now, you get 10 grand afterwards, you killed it. Razi! Let's go. I'm buying a state. Dark bro. Nice. Buy Ohio, man. Buy Ohio. Razi, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. Thank you. Really appreciate that. I hope Emma D is in here to see that one. Quick question. What's the main point of worrying about your portfolio? If you make a lot of profit, then it shouldn't matter on paper if your portfolio looks good. No, Chris, you're exactly right, dude. If you make a lot of profit, who the heck cares? The thing is, if you're making a lot of profit, let me tell you, dude, so you increase your risk, right? And you increase your reward. So let's say you do go out. Here's a great example. Let's say you do go out and you're playing puts on the QQQ today. Okay? You 100% did. I already looked at the numbers. So from like here at this purple line, from the open this morning to here, you 4x'd your money. You made 4 times your money, going from like 70 something cents to upper 280s. Okay? You 4x'd your money there. That's a ton of money. Okay, that's a ton of, let's say you are high risk. You're betting 100% of your portfolio in this position right there. You 4x your portfolio. That's a lot of profit. You're doing good. But I can guarantee you, dude, if let's say you get in here, it's been coming down nicely all day. You get in here. Dude, this stupid little tick up right here would probably be a 20% loss on your entire position or your entire portfolio, depending on how heavy you go. So this tiny little tick up right here really makes you sweat. You have to be convicted in the fact that it is going down today. If you don't time it perfectly and get in right here and never look back, let's say you do get in here. You're like, oh, dude, it broke through support. It's falling. I'm getting in. You get in, and it starts ticking up. Dude, if you would have waited, you would have been great. You would have doubled your money down here. You would have doubled your money at this price. But if you got in here and you're riding it up and you get a 20% loss that quickly, it does add to this stress, man. It definitely adds to this stress, which is why you need to be extremely disciplined and unconcerned about it and not go ahead and bet your whole, everything on one trade or anything like that. But increased trades increase risk. Yes, they can increase profit if you get it right, but if you get it wrong, it can be very, very difficult. Developers are satisfied with VVS. CDC elimination is zeros means listing on more exchanges. Lonnie, let's get it, man. We might get a bull run after the midterm. Yeah, we could, Giovanni. We absolutely could, man. I know a lot of people have been anticipating November to be a potential bull run, right? Clay, actually, you know what? Easy Ride, I did not. I did not, man. I did think about it for a minute yesterday, but I was doing videos and stuff and forgot about it almost as quick as I started thinking about it. So I've not looked into AMC 21X yet. Q3, yes. As Sam would say, the Q3, ladies and gentlemen. We get the Q3 down at the bottom left right there. Tonic not even on coin. Yeah, Tonic's on CoinMarketCap, man. Look. It's Tectonic. The symbol's Tonic there. So CoinMarketCap, Tonic is right there on CoinMarketCap. 0.000000010. So one owns states, the other owns islands. I think it's a good idea. It is a good idea, man. We got our bases covered no matter where we go. Clint, do you think Luna will throw me 2K and say I'm a developer? I don't have to say what I do, correct? Just trying to kind of trust me, bro. Deal. Yeah, Champagne Poppy, man. So if you apply for all you need is a proposal. And they'll definitely throw you 2K, dude. They'd probably throw you 20K. You could get on some sort of a recurring stipend, 2K a month or something if you would like. What I would do, I'd get a little Terra Luna Classic on Terra Station. I would start your proposal. Say that you want to receive 2K from that community pool there. If you can swing the votes, there you go, man. Nobody looks into this stuff. Nobody reads any of the fine print. They only read the excerpt on the proposal there. That's all they read, man. So no, you do not have to be able to develop anything. You don't have to have any special skill set. Now I'm starting to wonder why I told people that I don't know how to develop. I could have done the same thing, Champagne Poppy. I could have gone out there and said, I got this great idea. I want to develop, guys. All I need is like $100,000 to develop it, and just give me Binance's next skim next week. Give me Binance's skim. It'll be good to go. I would bet my bottom dollar for a movement like that. On what? Clay, why do I see so many XRP to 100? Is that possible anytime soon? But I also hear $3 to $10 as soon as they win their court case. Is that possible? Giovanni. Yeah, let's look at XRP for a second. Good morning, Nick F. What's going on? Trying to be unemotional about these, and yes, I got into AMC and Shib because all the hype. I feel like the reason I'm annoyed is because everyone is making emotional decisions on the play they hyped up. Yeah, that could be true as well, man. I'm not necessarily I still do have AMC, right? I'm obviously down on AMC in Ape now, but no, man, I really don't think I'm making an emotional decision on AMC. I think that if Adam Aaron does dilute the share like that, AMC no longer is a squeeze play. I think AMC is a value play. If Adam Aaron gives the hedge funds all the shares that they need to cover, well, of course they're going to be able to cover. How can we squeeze them if they already have the shares? So mine's just like thinking it through. What was I going to look at, though? Okay, so XRP really quick. Why people are saying it could go to $3 per share, and I do agree that XRP could go back to $3 a share, is that because before they had this SEC lawsuit, they were trading in that range. Now, I don't know if they minted more coins, because XRP is centralized, right? They can do whatever the heck they want. So let's look at the market cap valuations. Because if we do look at it, $3 could be a possibility for XRP if this lawsuit is taken care of. XRP starts to do very well. SEC comes in and says, hey, screw you guys. We want to cut. And then you're down in this area, right? Now, let's look at this market cap, though. So, yes, it does not seem like they are willy-nilly minting anything out there. So, XRP was the top 3 coin for a while at $118 billion valuation before the SEC jumps in and says, we want our cut. And is that a possibility? Absolutely. Now, dude, is $100 a possibility? Let me say this lightly, okay? I do believe that $100 is a possibility. Now, that's wild, right? That's wild. That takes you from a $100 billion valuation to roughly a $3 trillion valuation. That's not to be taken lightly. And I'm not going to sit here and tell you that Shiba Inu coin can reach a $3 trillion valuation or Terra Luna Classic is going to reach a $3 trillion valuation. But I will say that Ripple and XRP could reach a $3 trillion valuation. Why am I saying that? Because Ripple is a company. And I believe that the SEC is correct to pursue this case. I hope they don't win the case. I don't think that they should have their hands and require, every cryptocurrency to be listed with the SEC and every cryptocurrency to follow the rules of the SEC. I think you can have 2 different industries. I think you can have a risky industry that's not regulated. We know what the SEC does. They just want their money. We know that there could be an industry that's not regulated by the SEC and an industry that is regulated by the SEC. Guys, you have companies in the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, for example. If you're going to be listing on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, the SEC doesn't have control over that. The SEC has control over you if you list in the United States. If you're a publicly traded company in the United States. If you're a publicly traded company in another country, sure, man, you might be regulated by whatever that country's got going on, but it's certainly not the SEC. And I believe the same should apply to Ripple, these cryptocurrencies, and all of the ICOs that are out there. But I can't argue with the fact that Ripple and XRP, that is an IPO. Ripple's a company. Now, a company can absolutely have a $3 trillion valuation. If you look at companies like Apple, Okay, I don't know what. Let's see what Apple's trading at right now. I actually don't know what Apple's trading at. I don't know what their market cap is today. If you look at Apple, okay, and their market cap is $2.3 trillion. They've got that $3 trillion valuation when they start to peak out at these levels here. $3 trillion. Now, why would I think that Ripple could reach prices similar to Apple? Are they doing hundreds of billions of dollars a year in revenue? Well, not yet. But they could be completely revolutionizing the global financial system. What they've got going on with international transfers and the usage of their cryptocurrency to make them cheaper, more efficient, and faster could absolutely revolutionize how we interact with fiat and in international finance. So, do I think that they could reach a $3 trillion valuation? Yes. Do I think that the SEC needs to have their hands in their pocket? No. So, it really will boil down to what the SEC decides here and what is possible. But you got to keep in mind, dude, $3 trillion valuations in 2022, where we're living right now, are reserved for the world's most expensive companies. If you believe that XRP and Ripple could be one of the most expensive companies in the world, then the answer is yes. It absolutely could. But the $3 number, dude, the $3 number is just what they were doing prior to being investigated by the SEC. So I do think that the $3 number is not wrong. I don't think that's wrong, man. I hurt my knee on Memorial Day and didn't even think I'd be running anywhere, but took my time and healed up. Also, got on keto carnivore and dropped 18 pounds in 2 months. That helped too. Heck yeah, Matthew. Dude, congratulations, man. Congratulations. You know, I don't know what you went from to 2, but 18-pound drop in 2 months, man. Getting healthier and enjoying that. It's absolutely awesome, Matt. Chapero Samanino, what's going on? I love it here. Taylor, I love it that you love it here. I'd buy a crap coin than any Apple products. I'm a Samsung man myself. Are we going to see a general drop again at the beginning of November? The next Fed raise of 50 or 75 basis points. Yes. Yes. Missing link. So I'm actually still on board with another 75 basis point increase, and that will result in another drop in the stock market. It will result in another drop in the crypto market. There's probably a group of people out there that believe we are going to slow the increase rate, but it doesn't mean that's good news to slow the rate increase. It just means that we're increasing interest rates slower, and increasing interest rates is bad. So until that stuff starts to peak out, I don't think we're going to see a catalyst to the upside to that. It's going to be a catalyst to the downside. Where can we get Ripple now? Coinbase seems to be getting ready to list. Francisco, you can actually get Ripple on KuCoin if you want. I don't know if you're an international user or not. International Binance, I believe, has Ripple for you there, so you can grab it on International Binance. If you're in the U.S., you can use KuCoin to get it. I don't know where else, guys. Where else you guys getting Ripple right now? I know you can get it on KuCoin and Binance, but I don't know where else you can get it. Also, the only reason Ripple came under fire is because of the government. They don't want to lose control of the financial system. Yeah, Dark Bro, I agree with it, man. And when they see valuations like $100 billion, dude, when they see valuations like $100 billion, man, they want a piece of that. You know they do. I really need to invest more in XRP. And Giovanni, and look, dude, me too, but I don't know if I'm ready to. I don't know how close they are to winning that lawsuit. And the implications if they lose that lawsuit would be catastrophic, man. They might not be able to have XRP anymore. Think about that, dude. XRP may not be able to have a value, at least in the United States, if they lose the lawsuit. They would have to be listed on a stock exchange. So it is a very interesting lawsuit to see how it plays out. But what they consider XRP an IPO. They consider it an equity offering that they need to be in charge of for some reason. Uphold has it, Giovanni. All right, cool. Taylor says Uphold has it. So I'm taking a break. JB messaged me in the Discord when some profit comes. Probably not. So I'll see you. Oh, Chris, man. Chris, dude, don't leave us for good, man. Come on now. Slow. Was it 100 basis points perhaps? Slow. Yeah, dude. 100 basis points is still on the table for me, man. I think it's still on the table for me. Let's go back to here. All right. When the fiat currency crashes, which will probably be this year, where do you see cryptocurrencies going? Oh, Roger. So if fiat does crash, the only way crypto can go is up, man. So if you think about it, unless the government would try to take fiat crypto down with it by saying that, well, dude, if we're gonna lose, everybody's gonna lose. If the dollar's crashing, then crypto's illegal. You can't buy it here. We need to create demand for the dollar. And if people are flocking to cryptos, we need to make them illegal to own. If they do something like that, which why can't they, man? They can make anything they want legal and illegal. So if they try to salvage the dollar that way, that's going to be bad for crypto and probably watch it go down. If just the dollar is crashing, since we're comparing Bitcoin to a dollar right now, Bitcoin's sitting at $19,000 here, right? If the dollar got if its value got cut in half, the price of Bitcoin should theoretically double because you're comparing it to a dollar. So Bitcoin's worth 19 right now. It would be worth 38 if the dollar's value got cut in half, if it crashed. So it is a direct comparison and should move proportionally. It all depends on what the government would do in order to say, well, dude, if we're going to lose, you're going to lose. If we're going off, if we're jumping overboard, you're coming with us, man. I just can't wait for here to make 2023 the best year ever because 2021 was C and 2020 was corruption and false hope. I can assure you already, though, Chris, we will be saying we will make 2023 the best year ever. Did my super sticker come through? The chat seems to kick me out now and then. No, Lorenzo, I did not see a super sticker come through, man. It could be a problem with YouTube, dude, but I did not see it. And if anybody else saw one, please let me know. But I did not see a super sticker come through, Lorenzo. You can buy it on Uphold. Yeah, Giovanni. Sweet, guys. If you guys want to use Uphold, you can buy it on Uphold as well. Let's see. Is there any coin that is going to explode end of 2022 to buy in now and let's grow our portfolios together? So El Tigre, I don't know if anything is set to explode by the end of 2022. There absolutely will be coins that come out, and probably some of them will do very well to do 2, 3, 4, 5x gains. If we do have some sort of a shift in sentiment because of midterms or something in the next month, yes, we could have a bull market return. Do I think that we're going to have a bull market return just because of elections? Not necessarily. I think we need to have some groundwork or some idea of improvement on the actual numbers, on inflation and interest rate numbers. Guys, I saw a headline this morning. I didn't read the article. For the first time in history, the inflation rate in the United States is greater than the inflation rate in Brazil. Now, I know that we're only at 8.2% right now, and that's not as high as we've been in the past. But Brazil is one of the BRIC countries, man. Brazil is a high growth economy. That country is growing, and therefore they have inflation because more and more people are working. They're innovating. They've got high levels of GDP growth, and therefore inflation is just it's a result of that growth. We're not growing here in the United States. We are saturated. The United States is a very saturated economy, and it is not growing. In fact, we are in a recession. We've had 2 consecutive GDPs that are negative, meaning the economy is receding, and yet our inflation rate is surpassing some of the highest growth countries in the world. It's a bad situation, and and the only people that are going to get publicity right now are the people that are going to tell you it's a good situation. Me telling you it's a bad situation is never going to make a headline. It's the only the people that say, well, we've got jobs out there. There's high growth right now because of the jobs, and I know for a fact none of you guys are getting 15% raises to keep up with the 3% raises you'd be getting when inflation's at 1.6 to 1.8%. So you are definitely being taken advantage of in the sense that all we see are the positive spins on things when it's very, very difficult to compare us to a high growth economy like Brazil, and yet our inflation rate is even higher. Matthew, I used to run marathons when I was in the Army. Can't do it. Oh, dude, I've never been a runner, man. Honestly, I don't think we will see any catalyst till midterms or later because people thought that Ethereum merge was going to bring the market up, and it didn't. Yeah, that is absolutely true, man. In Shibarium has not yet been released, right? Dark Bro's dead on that. Or my super chat isn't going through. Sucks, because it was only way you read chats. Dude, I'm telling you, I'm going to call the post office, man, and I'm going to tell them to stop your order on that stamp there. I don't know. I don't think they can even track letters. I don't even think they can track letters. I would just have to, like, call your local post office and be like, look, when you get that envelope right there, just burn it. Actually, you don't even have to burn it. Just keep the stickers for yourself. Put them up in the post office, so every time Easy Ride comes into the post office, he has to see that his stickers were confiscated by the U.S. Postal Service. Yeah, dude, what do you think about a super sticker like that, man? What do you think about a super sticker like that? It's going to be super right up in your post office. You don't think I'll call him, do you? You don't think I'll call him? Hey, Clay. TG Samaritans, what's going on, man? I'm expecting quite a few things to explode before the end of 2020. I don't know if that's good or bad. Oh, Emma, I hope it's good. I hope to get my marathon distance by next year. Yeah, dude, look, my brother's actually a bigger dude, right? He's a big dude. And he likes to run. I hate to run. I've never been a runner, and I actually don't understand how he can run so well. But he sent me a screenshot from his watch the other day. He's got these Garmin watches and everything. And he sent me a screenshot from his watch. He just went out for an afternoon jog, right? Went out for an afternoon jog and just decided to do a half marathon. I'm like, what is wrong with you, man? How do you just decide to do a half marathon? And then he's like, and then I realized it was a bad idea because I didn't have any water with me. And by the time I was on like mile 10 or whatever, I was exhausted and like borderline dehydrated. I was like, well, dude, don't kill yourself. And he's like, I had to push through though, man. I had to push through. Whatever. I would not. I really wouldn't find any joy out of that. I've never even wanted to run a half marathon. Even to prove to myself that I could do it. I did a 5K once, though. And it was misery. It was misery, man. Misery. Clay, my last question. JB, I got you. JB. Sign Flow Inu. Yes, Simon. Clay, do you think work will send a portion of a paycheck to a Swiss crypto bank account asking for a friend? JB, it depends on your employer, man. It depends on your employer. I do think that they would, man. I do think that they would. Because you can split up your direct deposit between any bank accounts that you want. And a portion. It doesn't matter what portion it is. Yeah, you can set it up. And I don't know who pays you, right? I don't know whose like payroll you're on or if you guys go through like an HR service or what the deal is. But yeah, dude, you can set it up to direct deposit in any bank account you want. I would imagine international bank accounts as well. And if that Swiss crypto bank account accepts fiat, transfers it to cryptocurrency for you, you'd be good to go. I really don't see why you wouldn't be able to make that happen. Yeah. I really don't see why you wouldn't be able to make that happen as long as international banks would be fine. But I really don't see why they wouldn't be fine. You know what I mean? Like, you might hit transfer fees and stuff like that, but dude, they can't stop you from having an international bank account. As long as you can open that account, it's in your name. Anybody actually, see, I've never done that. Don't call the Easy Ride. I should send some stickers to your post office in case you ever go in there. I'll send some stickers to your post office and be like, listen, I am severely trying to prank this dude. Can you please put this sticker like on your counter somewhere so if he ever comes in and sees it, his mind will be blown. I should send them some stickers too and see if anybody at the post office has a sense of humor and would do that. Yeah, guys, does anybody in here, there's 105 people, I don't know if anybody's got experience with it. Kenneth, man! Guys, grab those green names. Guys, get them right now. Subscribe to the channel. Click on Kenneth's membership giveaway right there. Turn on your gift receiving and grab that green name. Kenneth throwing down. Taylor grabbed the green name. Rob Not Bob finally got his green name. T Plays, yes, baby. TT grabbing a green name. Reality Rhino grabbing a green name. Tyler, we got Kalito Farm. Jay, man, oh man. Angel, Paul, all of you guys with green names right now, loving it. Is that all 10? Is that all 10? We got Taylor, we've got Rob, we got TT, we got Reality, we got Tyler, Kalito, Jay, Man, Angel, and Paul. Yes, we got all 10 green names there. Loving it. Dude, guys, thank you very much, Kenneth. Thank you very much. And I know, I love this part, man. It's awesome to see when everybody gets happy that they've got a green name there, and then they throw those thank yous out. So if you guys want a green name, please say thank you to Kenneth. Kenneth, I'm saying thank you right now. Really appreciate that, man. We are just blowing this chat up with green names. Everybody's got a green name right now. Still, Sarah. No, dude, still no Sarah. Sarah definitely don't. So, Great MAGA King 2022. As long as you're subscribed to the channel, you may need to do it right now, okay? Go back up to Kenneth Singh, click on it, and make sure your gift receiving is turned on. If your gift receiving is turned on, it is random at that point who receives it, but it prioritizes people that are in the live stream. And will allow you to grab that green name as long as you meet those two requirements, right? You're subscribed to the channel, and you've got your gift receiving turned on. So that's it. And then the next time somebody sends out, it is a random allocation to anybody who's listening right now. So if anybody doesn't know how to do that, yeah, you couldn't grab. No, it's fine. It is a random allocation. You just have to make sure that your gift giving is turned on, or your gift receiving is turned on, and you have to make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Congrats to who did. Thank you, Kenneth. Yes, man. Welcome, bros. T Plays. Thank you. Tyler saying thank you, man. Really appreciate all of the thank yous going out. Reality, I don't think you're blocked, dude, because I see you right now. You better behave. You better behave, but it doesn't seem like you're blocked right now. So, yeah, we gotta say, dude, you better behave. Let's see. I haven't seen him in a while either. I sent you my address last week via Twitter, but still no stickers. Are you kidding me? Just asking so I can stop. Kai, yeah, I know. I got your address, man. I do have it saved, but you didn't win any stickers yet, right? I'm prioritizing the green names right now to get stickers first, and then afterwards, then you can win the stickers. But I am prioritizing the green names, dude. I do think that's fair, and I do have your address saved just in, I think I got it saved. Just in case you do win one, I may ask for it again when you do. But I hope you guys think it's fair. I think it's fair to prioritize green names to get the sticker packs first when they win them. Lorenzo! Fist, boom, fist, boom, fist, boom, fist, boom, baby. Oh, yes, Lorenzo. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate you. Good afternoon, bros. They need to hit that like, yes. And you need to hit the like button, because if you don't hit the like button, you guys are going to get an ad. How many likes do we have? God. 44 likes. 44 likes. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Lorenzo, dude, YouTube has been acting wild for the last week and a half right now. Absolutely wild. Just blocking people from typing in the chat, taking monetization settings away. They've been doing some literally not apologizing for any of it, or saying that they fixed it or anything, dude. It has been nuts the way YouTube has been acting. Philly Thaler, thin and stickers. Does that make me the Philly Thaler? Or does that make you the Philly Thaler? When blue names, Samanino, you've got that blue name right there. I do think it would be sweet if YouTube had different color names. You could either hit like a certain level. I know you level up the icon and stuff, but you hit a certain level and you get a red name. Black name would be terrible because I really wouldn't be able to see it on here because the background's black. But, you get a red name, you get a purple name, you get a pink name, a yellow name. Kind of like the Discord. I really like the Discord, man, because we got some kings in the Discord, and Simon was king yesterday in the Discord. JB, man, you guys are... JB, and if Pika Power is listening right now, you guys are absolutely destroying that Discord, man. It is awesome. I know I'm not as active, like I got a lot going on, right? But I do try to jump in the Discord and type every once in a while. So I gotta say, man, you guys are top notch on that Discord there. If you guys aren't in the Discord, I'll share a link if you do want to join, especially for all the new green names and everything. But yeah, dude, you guys are absolutely killing it, man. You and Pika extremely active, and I know a lot of people are active in there as well, but yeah, man, I do need to say thank you to Pika and JB for absolutely destroying that Discord, man. You got the shirt and stickers for Dark Bro. I sent you the address in a Discord. A Discord. He turned into the next Sam, man. Yeah, so listen, the giveaway shirts that I'm going to do are probably going to have the YouTube patch on the side of them. And I don't have those done, but yeah, I do have, I've got like 3 larges done right now, 2 mediums done right now, and need to print more. But I'm gonna put the YouTube logo patch on the sleeve on the giveaway ones, and I still haven't done that yet. Misunderstood? No, Kai, you're good, dude. You're absolutely good, man. I got it. Like I was considering sending it and considering sending to some other people who really want sticker packs right now, but I really, honestly, man, I do think it's fair to prioritize the green names instead of just saying, well, he asked, so I'm going to give it to him right now. You absolutely will get a sticker pack, man. I promise you on that one. It's either going to be when you get a green name, like if you win a green name, you can win it, or just after the green names are exhausted, then it becomes you. So yes, so Matthew, the 0.2% burn tax did pass, and it is supposed to go live. Actually, I don't know what time tomorrow. It's supposed to go live tomorrow, but I don't know what time tomorrow. So just figure, what day is tomorrow? Wednesday? Just figure Thursday. It's going to be live all day Thursday because I don't know what time it starts tomorrow. Might start at night, dude. Little Peak is the queen. Absolutely. A discard was a joke. Oh, got it. Gotcha. I was wondering about that, man. Clever proposal. If I send t-shirts, canvas business cards, and a truckload of sticker sheets. Oh my gosh. Easy ride. Let me say this, dude. I could, but please don't expect. It's actually, it looks easy, right, to print this out. But the hard part is, and it is easy to print it out, right? It just cuts it out or whatever. But taking this part of the purple off, and then taking this out, like taking all of these little parts and pieces out of the sticker sheet is actually what takes time. It doesn't manually do that. So I have to sit here and like cut all that crap out and pull it off and then put the film over. So that's actually the hard part. Not hard part, but time-consuming part of making the stickers. So, dude, if you sent over like 10 sheets of vinyl, which I've got plenty of vinyl, if you sent over like 10 sheets of vinyl, it honestly would take a while for me to make those. I would have no problem making them for you. Yeah, I would cut them out, but it is time consuming. So I wouldn't want you to think that I can just take a Saturday and make 10 sheets of stickers for you and whatever, because it is time consuming to do it. Really need to load up on this XRP. I think when the case is over and open it in the US, it's going to explode. Kronos, Coinbase. Giovanni, I agree, man. I agree. I just don't know the results of that case. So if you're in my situation, and I may start doing this, right? During this bear market, slowly start to average in, if you would like. Because if there is a chance that they lose the case, which is a possibility, man, which is an absolute possibility. Even if they lose the case, even if they win the case, right? They could still have some like fine against them they can't participate in the United States or something stupid because the U.S. government's a sore loser. You know, what do you do at that point, man? What do you do at that point? Did they get you on some other stupid technicality because they're mad they lost, that they didn't get their revenue from your listing, so they decide to ban you for some other reason? You know, there's a lot that could go wrong there, but if it goes right, you are going to make a lot of money. Oh man, I got like no water left. Patrick, thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee. Patrick, man, this one's on you. I'm like dead empty, dude. Thank you very much, Patrick. Really appreciate that, man. Making me miss bro time. Nobody better be missing bro. Internet company that changed things up. I mean, damn, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you right now. I have to keep you humble, man. Yes, we do, man. Yes, we do. You got to put me to work, don't you? Wanted to say, hey, everyone, real quick. Got to go back to this class. Since he is beautiful this time of year. Dude, a lot of places are beautiful this time of year with all of the leaves changing colors and everything. Heck yeah, man. As we used to say in the Army, drink that water is what you guys were drinking back in the Army, right? Bro, are we close to attaining a Robinhood exchange? No. I'm not trying to dash any hopes there or anything, but no, we are not close to achieving a Robinhood listing yet. I am, and I do want to say, first screen name to claim a sticker pack gets a sticker pack right now. First screen name to claim a sticker pack gets a sticker pack right now. First screen name to claim a sticker pack gets a sticker pack right now. You guys gotta claim the sticker pack if you want it. You have to claim it. Easy ride T plays got it. T plays got it. Easy ride. You can't claim it twice, man. You can't. Otherwise, easy ride was on that one. All right, T plays, dude. T plays. Are you in the Discord? If you're in the Discord, please message me right now. The mailman does not come until after this live stream's over, so I can actually go drop this in the mailbox right now. So T's plays. All right, cool. T's plays got this one just in case. T play getting this sticker pack right here. Where we at? He's getting. Let's see, and then this one right here. Ooh, got him. All right. T-Plays, you getting this sticker pack right here, man. You got a little silver bro, black bro, blue bro, and clay bro right here. Here's your sticker pack, dude. Nice claim on the sticker pack, T-Plays. And let's see here. Jay, you were close, man. Jay was close. Simon's claiming, even though Simon's over a year old. T-Plays got that one. Didn't go for cover this time. There you go, T-Plays. Paying attention as well. Kenneth, man, you guys are close. JJ throwing that bro. He says screwed again. You're not screwed again, man. T-Plays, if you're in the Discord, please message me. Hey, Chloe, check your Discord. Yeah, Discord's right here. Any DMs? I don't have any DMs from you in the Discord, man. I don't have any DMs from you in the Discord. Keith, Kenneth, you guys were close, man. You guys were close on that one. T-Plays got it, though. All right, let's see. Yeah, Dark Bro, I don't see you actually in the Discord right now. A DM? Dude, is your name Dark Bro in the Discord? Nah, I actually don't see you in the Discord, dude. I don't see you. T-Plays. Okay. Patrick, I see you actually a few days ago in the Discord. This is weird. That message is from a long time ago. T-Plays, you DM me? T-Plays, you got the same name in there? Because I honestly, I don't even see any. Hope you didn't message the wrong dude. Clipper's a bad man. And Wit, I'm not a bad man. Alright, I said message me in there. If hopefully you guys didn't message the wrong Claybro or something. Anyway, I'm in the community chat right there. It says message me, so it's Dark Bro there too. Huh. And wait, man, you better be listening right now on the YouTube channel. I can't tell if you're listening or not. Let's see. Hope you're well, mate. Do you think AMC will ever squeeze? Do you think Adam Aaron's... So, me, dude, listen, I think that Adam Aaron is doing the wrong thing for a squeeze play by issuing those... Yeah, Stark Bro, I do see that. By issuing those new shares. However, you know, it doesn't deter me from thinking it's a good decision for AMC and AMC's fundamentals. So... I'm a little bit more bearish on the squeeze now than I was before because I think Adam Aaron is going for a cash grab on 425 million Ape shares. DD214 still positive about AMC. Are you still positive about the squeeze, man? Or are you still positive on AMC overall? Which one would it be? Agreed, Papa Sam. Thank you very much for the super chat. When Subway stocks go high. What? Sam Demand, did you change your name to Great Papa Sam? I feel like this is Sam. When Subway stocks go high? Soon, man. Soon moon for all of the stocks. Stocks. S-T-O-C-K. Dude's got me twisted on how to say stocks now. You might want to offer thanks to those of us who aren't here to pay your power bill but still love your channel. Yes, Kai, man, absolutely. It's absolutely right. You are still getting sticker packs. I'm just prioritizing those that are green that get them first. But I promise you will still get a sticker pack, dude. Sam Demand has... No. Dang, man, JB notices everything. Let's see. Let's see if I can immediately see any names missing here. I don't know who it is. I got too many names in here with wrenches now. Yeah, I don't know who it is. I got too many wrench names. Dang. I don't know who's playing me. Great Papa Sam does not have a wrench though. Yeah. Good afternoon, campers. Don't forget this jamboree this afternoon down by the lake. Clothing optional. Flip-flops required. Mark, I will be wearing a heavy sweater considering it's 41 degrees outside. I will continue wearing a heavy sweater for that one. I need to go green. Joseph, yes, you need to go green, man. Bro, I don't think your DMs are working because T-Plays and I just messaged you in the Discord. Yeah, the DMs might not be working right now. Let me message you. No. Hey, I was not getting it, T-Plays. I was not getting it, but obviously I just messaged you there. All right. I don't know. Yeah, now I'm getting the message. But I don't know why it wasn't working before. Sam, how Q3s go? We need to know. Let's see. And thanks for letting me know my DMs weren't working. I had no idea that they weren't working. Can you show LUNC? Yeah, LUNC not doing too much this morning. It is slowly trending lower as the morning plays out here, but very similar price patterns to what we've been seeing over the last week or so, with these wild drops down and then drops right back, or jumps right back up. But nonetheless, if you look at a little bit longer term chart here, if you got the hourly chart on, you can see that we've been slowly trending lower over the last couple of days. And we're coming back up on this major level of support around 22,000 points per coin. So it is going to be important that we stay above this level right here and, maintain this as support. But it has been pretty hard to watch it over the last couple of days, just slowly trend lower. But yeah, we could watch Terra Luna Classic for a while here. Read last, brother. Wayne Grow, where you at, Wayne Grow? Read last, brother. That's a double last. That's a double last. Wayne Grow, Wayne Grow, Wayne Grow, Wayne Grow, Wayne Grow, Wayne Grow, Wayne Grow. Oh, there it is. Now that's what I'm talking about. I made 7K on SPX puts today. I have nothing on LUNC or Shiba, or I don't know what else we were talking about here. Yeah, Wayne Grow. Phenomenal trade, dude. Phenomenal trade, man. We were looking at the QQQ this morning, right? And in dropping all morning long, I had looked at the options this morning at like the 270 price point. The puts on like the 270 price point for the QQQ this morning, and they were at like 75, 78 cents or something, and down around the $3, up around the $3 range in this area. So yes, absolutely made some sick money. If you guys were playing any index puts this morning, you absolutely made out. Dude, killing that trade, Wayne Grow. Killing that trade, man. Congratulations. That is an awesome profit take. I listened to a podcast that went pretty in-depth about a theory that it is plausible that part one, Powell has some political motivation behind Fed activity, speech action, and that is somewhat, it wasn't noted as part one, malicious in intent. If this were the case, do you think it could be predictive of a good market post-midterms or be used to predict future trends? Dang. Dude, maybe. I obviously didn't read the article. Let's see. Some political motivation behind Fed activity, speech, attention, action that is somewhat malicious intent. You think it's the case? So, dude, I'll say this, okay? I honestly think that yes, none of these guys think for themselves, and they would either lose their job, lose their day. Like you can't go against the grain without half of the world hating you. So I do think that there probably is some political persuasion in the Federal Reserve. I truly do believe that. And as much as Jerome Powell says that, he doesn't care about markets and gains and things like that, he just wants to make sure that everything works and they're focusing on employment and all of that stuff. But I still think there's some ill intent there. I think there's ill intent. When the Federal Reserve, just one example of the potential greed that's there, man. When the Federal Reserve closed out all of their individual stock positions at the absolute peak of the market, that is not a coincidence. You could either get in trouble for insider trading, or you could make it a law requiring you to sell off before the worst downturn in history is about to take place. One of the two choices. Make it a law. The Federal Reserve members are not able to hold individual stocks and allow them to get out. The day that we peak. And that's what happened, dude. So I know there's a lot of ill intent going on up top. I don't know how it's going to play out with elections and midterms and all that, but I do know there's a lot going on there. Let's see. Nice play, Wanger. Oh, dude, I absolutely love seeing that, Bronson. I love seeing that. Why? Because we are looking at a lot of declines and a lot of losses and a lot of red every day on the screen. So people need motivation to realize, yes, you can still make money in the stock market and in the crypto market and so on. T-Plays, man, if you're still listening, you can send wherever you want me to send those stickers to in the Discord. I'll address the envelope here and then take it down to the post office after the live stream. So if we agree that there is ill intent, you personally think that the conclusion of midterms could affect how he attacks things depending on if he's happy or not with who has control. Yeah, I mean, I do think that there is... Dude, I think political persuasion goes a long way on anything. On anything, man. I really do. And I think that's one of the, like... That might not be the main reason that people think midterms could have such a strong impact on the overall economy. Obviously, there's a lot that goes into it. But, yeah, dude, that's definitely it's definitely an option that who's going to be in charge will affect the rate at which we increase, decrease, or hold steady interest rates and economic policy. Let's see. You're getting fluent in Sam, though. Yes, somebody's getting fluent in Sam. Thank you, brother. Heck yeah, Wayne Grum. God bless you, brother. Thank you for what you do. Jesus United Church, man. Thank you very much. You as well. Easy Ride. We're having under CBS ownership with KOWT of Philadelphia in 1999. Oh my God. I don't know. What happened? What happened? Let's see. Claybro. Try sending me a message in the Discord. DMs may have something. Maybe you have to send me a message in order to allow me to send you messages. It is possible, man. Yeah, dude, I didn't see any of those messages come across till just now. It must my inbox must not be working right or something. I don't know what's going on, but inbox must not be working right. All right, T-Plays, man. Sweet. Got your address there. We'll get that in the mailbox as soon as the live stream is over. Yeah, and then we could do another one in the afternoon session. There's only 2 minutes left in here right now. We'll do another one in the afternoon session. We're not waiting until the afternoon session. Give me one more. It's 12:58 right now. Give me one more. One more sticker pack going out right now. You guys got to give me one more. And you better be in the Discord. Claim it right now. Claim it right now. You guys want it? Claim it right now. Emma D already went. Keith grabbing that sticker. Ooh, Keith, are you a year though? Keith, when's your year? When's your year, Keith? Because if you're almost at a year, Josh gets it. Next month. All right, Keith, Josh is gonna get this one. You'll get another T-shirt with a sticker pack when you hit that year there. Josh is gonna get this one. Hopefully you're cool with that. Next month sometime is gonna come up pretty quick, and I'll just get you your sticker pack with the T-shirt there. So hopefully that's good. Josh, man. Keith, hopefully you're okay with that. It is gonna happen pretty soon, man. I see you with that rainbow ape right there, man. My camera's just getting destroyed right now. So Joshua, you're in the Discord. I know you're in the Discord. Let me message Josh. Say something in the. No, man. Oh God, Keith, no, dude, no. I might have to send one out to Keith. Oh gosh, I think I still have Keith's address. I might have to address one to him now too. I don't need all those dislikes. Pudgy's direct messages are working. Josh, can you direct message me real quick? If not, I need to... All right. All right. So, hey, Josh, I just messaged you. Send me your address real quick. I'll get that out there. And let's see. Josh's sticker pack is right here. And then you guys know the drill. We're leaving now anyway. Josh, your sticker pack right here, man. Blue bro, black bro, little black bro, clay bro, right there. Going in the envelope, getting addressed, and I'm going to walk it down to the mailbox right now. Thank you very much for that. I get that sent out. Guys, we'll do some shout-outs. We'll be back this afternoon. And, yeah, we'll be back this afternoon. It's all going to be good. Shout-outs to JB, AMC Trapper saying, peace out to the Diamond Hand Apes, T-Plays. See you later. Jesus United, man. See you later. Lorenzo, Mr. Simon, Emma D, Great Papa Sam, Pudgy, Richard. See you later. Kai Scott, forgot my cup. Joshua, Pudgy is cool. Yeah, Pudgy's DMs seem to be the only DMs that are working right now because he's so cool. And I don't know why, but they're working because Pudgy is cool, man. Pudgy, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. We got shout-outs to Bronson, T-Plays, Matt, Suspicious Guy, DD214, Simonino. It is 1 o'clock. Emma D, see you later. Great Papa. We got Keith, man, later to you. SD, see you later. Gen 36er, Suspicious Guy, Mike, Lorenzo. All of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.